Do you know how to create calculator using ChatGPT? Let's start. Just type create calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript separate file. Now ChatGPT is creating all the code. Let's copy HTML code and give the file name index.html. Copy paste and let's run this file. So currently it is looking like this because CSS file is missing. Let's go and copy CSS also. So we have to create a CSS file with this name. Let's copy CSS code and create this file name also. Now go and refresh. You can see that now the UI has been changed, but it will not work perfectly because JavaScript file is missing. Let's go and copy that JavaScript. You can see here a script file is missing, right? So just go and type code for a script and you will get the file of JavaScript. Copy the JavaScript and let's create the file. Make sure all file will be at same location. Let's go and refresh. Now we can type it 1 2 plus 2 equal to 14. That means our calculator is working fine. Thanks GPT.